everyone. Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And guys, this video is all about postcard marketing and the freedom when it comes to postcard marketing, the freedom that comes with direct mail marketing. I'm always creating marketing pieces for any online or offline products that I actually share with people. Sometimes I use the company-driven postcards, and because a lot of times we actually have been in that company for several years or so, I might create a postcard for my team directly. But this video is all about why people are asking me, and it's okay. I don't mind anybody asking me, but why people are asking me, Cassandra, why would you know, do postcard marketing for precious metals? And the reason why is, guys, because I believe, since I come from a spiritual background, I come from a Christian background. I always equate things with fulfillment from our Bible. Okay, and which I know we're not getting ready to get into that. This is not what this is all about. What this is all about is understanding that our earth was designed and actually produces precious minerals, precious substances that we consider having a fluctuating value. And what I mean by fluctuating value, you know how we get the oil. We we got gas. We have now when you if you ever seen what diamonds look like before, you would have never known that it was a diamond. It takes a serious process of time in order for a rock to formate under serious pressure to create a beautiful value diamond. Okay, so I'm not saying that we're going to collect a whole bunch of diamonds. I'm not saying we're going to collect oil or anything like that. But what I am saying is, in our economy, in our state, okay, in what we actually can use as a viable asset for ourselves, we are we have a tendency to secure coins. We have this, whether it's gold or whether it's silver. We have a tendency to be able to do these things, and the only way we're able to do them in a way of fluidity, meaning that we can secure them maybe at a discounted rate, but giving us some value back to us in an individual way, not somewhere sitting in a vault and someone saying you got a piece of a piece of a piece of a piece that belongs to, a company, but actually that you can actually get your own and have possession of it, and at any given time you can cash it in. It allows you to be able to do collect your own collect your own. And I think I never really got into um, the whole idea of you all being able to do things to invest in yourself. But if you look at the lineage of wealth generation and what people actually invest in order to create wealth generation, it's coins, it's minerals, it's real estate, it's all kinds of different things that you might find are feasible for your livelihood, for your family, for yourself. I myself am old school, so I come from an era where my dad collected coins from the war. Okay, those have a value, all right? And even though back then they might not have really realized the value it might hold many years later, people are getting to the point now they're scrambling. What is it that I can do to create a more solid nest egg? Well, guys, what I'm gonna tell you, I had so many people that said, Cassandra, can you look at this plan? I want to start investing in gold. I want to start investing in silver. I realize that these are types of investments that will secure in time. We already know that our money, our paper money that's just being printed at will not sustain us. But we can trade coins. We can find value in this. And I'm gonna tell you something, guys. And I was gonna give you this one, but I got a lot of them that's getting ready to go out. I mail every single day. I mail every single day, and that's very, very important to me. And you need to learn to do that as well. So, since I'm telling you that this is something that you should be doing anyway, I'm going to introduce you to an opportunity. Now, a lot of you all have seen it, a lot of you all have participated because through the emails, you'll ask me, Cassandra, what are you doing? And some of you all, for the sake of trying to make sure that you save on postage. Cassandra, what awesome business do you have that involves a postcard? But here lately, and I see a lot of people are paying more attention to cryptocurrency, and trust me, I have something that I will be sharing with you later on, probably the beginning of next week or maybe the end of this week, that is powerful as well. But you guys have been very, very focused on coins. I've had a lot of people come to me with American Eagle silver program. I had a lot of people come to me about how can I get structured with silver bullion, or how can I get structured with gold, or how can I get structured with trying to be able to secure some of this for myself. And most of the products that you have shared with me, or you wanted me to view, or at least um, take a research into and find out whether or not it has good credibility, sustainability for you, and whether or not it'd be a wise investment for you. Most of that stuff was like $500-$600 to start. That didn't include being able to secure any of the coins for yourself. And I think one of them, I think was the least amount was $497, and they were able to get point something of a silver coin. And I don't want to say it incorrectly, but it involved being able to get one coin, and it was a point, I don't know, 0.05 of it or something to that effect, and it was $497 to come in. The idea of it was that the fast start bonus was $100. So every 497 that somebody, of course it was tiered, but every 497 that was secured, uh, that person that shared that information about the silver would get a fast start bonus of $100, and they would get $17 per month on the residual. And the ACH, excuse me, or the monthly subscription for it was $197. I couldn't really understand where that was coming from, because if it was $17 per month that you would earn off for each 497 that initially came in, and then 197 every single month, and only $17 was secured. But I looked up online. Actually, I looked on Amazon, and sad to say, that point, it was 0.05 of a coin was worth $19.73. Of course, that fluctuates. Now, I need to tell you that income disclaimer. I need, so you'll know it fluctuates. But at the time that I looked it up, it was $19.78. So it sounded like something was a little off. Um, but what I have found, it's an opportunity, and I've actually been with this young man over a year. With this particular, let me be clear. I've known him longer than that, but with this particular program, it's been way over a year. But it allows a person to be able to secure the coins and actually some monetary funds as well. And it is in such a small state. You have a choice of choosing whether or not you want a small amount, or you can go all the way, or you can secure a whole bunch of. And let me give you an example, because I want to show you exactly what's on my card so you can kind of see. Um, this particular opportunity is called Silver Blocks. And since so many of you all have been reaching out to me and asking me about this, and I hadn't had too many of you all individually saying, hey, do you have something on where I can collect some coins, or silver, or gold? Because these other companies, are the prices are astronomical, and then sometimes you might be finding yourself in another program, so you're trying to handle that, you're trying to make sure that you can grow that, you're paying money into that, but you wanted something, you want to add something that will allow you to be able to do that too. So this one's called Silver Blocks, but I want you to know I didn't spend a whole bunch of money. I've kept my same positions, so you can see that. I kept my same positions because someone can always spend $10. Somebody can always spend $20, $30. So when you look at this, 30 and 40, how much is that? 70, 80, 90, 100. That's $100 on a card. Now I didn't go for the $75. I didn't go for the $50. You know, there's different ones that you can go to, and also I've gotten the master block too. I secured the master block as well. So what this does is, guys, if you saw that, let me put that up again. You're getting 1/10 of the silver coin. Now, in each one that you actually go in, no matter what, this has not. This is $100. Well, $125 if you get all of my blocks or whatever block you get on here. But here's the kicker. Here's the wonderful thing about that related to the other opportunity that was shared with me. True enough. Here it is almost, it was $497 to get in, $197 per month auto ship. There's no auto ship on here. But what the beauty of this is that once a person purchases off of your silver block card and you receive your coins, and your coins will look in this type of fashion. You get now, and I get trust me, I can't tell you how many coins I got. I got a lot. I got a lot, guys. I keep getting them left and right. Um, this is a small way for a person to be able to keep collecting their coins, um, a small way, and then I keep getting more envelopes. I get these, on a regular basis. Let me see. You can't see that. Turn that around. I get these on a regular basis, so I'm steady collecting my coins. And here's the important part of it. When somebody joins, and even if they send one block, if they only use one block, guess what? You're all over their cards. So they're going to go ahead and want to do their mailings, 35 cents postcards. Postcards right here, right now, you get like 1,000 of them for like $60. It's a cheap way for you to be able to secure, secure being able to get some silver for yourself. Now, just a second, guys. I apologize. My laptop is trying to tell me low battery, and I don't want to lose you all, and that's very important because I want you to understand what I'm saying here. Those of you all that are interested in being able to secure some silver. Now, I don't have a good gold one. Now, at one point, I was in carat bars, but what ended up happening was um, how would I say it? Let me put it in a light way. It was so many people doing carrot bars and they kept doing discounts and they kept changing the compensation plan that I was losing as I was trying to recruit or as I was trying to get more people to come in because it was a tiered business opportunity. So what I end up doing now is I just purchase it outright. It makes sense and it's cheaper if I want to go ahead and secure some gold plates, or if I want to do some little bars. They also have nuggets. There's different things that you can actually purchase and have, like I said, for safekeeping for the future. This is part of wealth generation, guys. But those of you all, and it's a good number of you all that have asked me, Sandra, what do you have that I can use to accumulate some coins, some silver important? This is what I have. So if you're definitely interested in an opportunity like this, definitely click the link below. You can click the link below, or you know what? Never mind. I'm not going to connect that. What I am going to do is if you're very, very interested, you're interested in being able to secure yourself with some real tangible products that will help you create your wealth generation and add to your wealth generation and value your vault. I like to say in value your vault because you're increasing your legacy. definitely email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com, and I can definitely send this information over to you. If you have any questions about it, definitely email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com as well. I'd love to answer the question. This young man hails right out of Tallahassee, Florida. He is my neighbor. You can all, I want you to look at this. He is my neighbor. His name is Mr. Merrill. So you can definitely know exactly how this can be done for you in a very, very speedy fashion just by doing postcard marketing. A lot of people are asking about postcard marketing, but this is very, very valuable. It's not something where you just get money and you're just getting stamps or anything like that, but it is something that will give you something that add to your wealth portfolio. Okay, definitely subscribe to my channel, guys. I'd love to have you guys listening in. Definitely look out because I have some wonderful things coming down the pike. I know I told you in the other video that I have an opportunity that's going to come, and I'm waiting for my hard copy to come through because I want to show you how you can get leads, stamps, and these leads are generated survey type leads. So this particular owner is willing to put his money where his mouth is. Let me give you a little hiccup, a little, a little. When I say hic up, I mean hiccup, not something that's going to stunt you or keep you from winning. But let me give you a hiccup. This young man believes enough in his leads, and I've been able to use them. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to put these people out, but they're on these cards, and they've been really working very well. So I want to say that. But you will get those. He is going to give you a certain amount of stamps with that platform. That's like putting your money where your mouth is. People talk, well, you get nixies, and we do. We do get nixies in the lead generation business when it comes to direct mail and having mailing labels. But anytime that you have somebody that says, you know what, I have enough faith in my leads, I'm gonna give you some stamps to cover that. You get some nixies. That is phenomenal. That is phenomenal. And you'll also have an opportunity to be able to share this with your team as well. So, again, you're interested in being able to secure your wealth untold by accumulating some silver asset by simply mailing a postcard. Definitely email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com so I can send this information over to you, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Guys, I look forward to doing some wonderful, wonderful, wonderful things with you guys and sharing some wonderful, wonderful things with you all. It's just up to you to step into it. And it's up to you to change your life. Change your life. Remember, it's your season of abundance. Guys, have a good one. Speak to you soon, and bye for now.